In Unit 11A1, I want you to pick whether your project is going to be a solo project, just you, or a group project, you collaborating with other people. Your specific teacher might want you to do it one way, but if you're in my class, I am perfectly okay with you creating a video all by yourself, or with you forming up into a group of other students who are going to work on a project together. That group of other students might be other people in the same class. It might be other people in video production a different period of the day than you, or it might be people who aren't even in the class or in the school for that matter. It could be people who you know in the community. You could even figure out a way to collaborate with people online if you'd like, in order to work together with a group of people who are going to create this video project. You are getting a grade for the project in this class. If you collaborate with people who aren't in this class, then they may or may not be getting a grade depending on what class they're in. If several people in my class collaborate together on a project, then the grades will be individual for each person based on how much work and the quality of work that each person put into the project. We'll worry about grading later, but just as a heads up, whether you work alone or in groups doesn't matter, and each person, no matter whether they work alone or in groups, will get a separate grade. One further note, even if there's a class where several people are working alone, working independently on video projects, just because of the nature of video production, you will probably end up helping each other out a lot anyway. So you might run camera for one person, well, they run a camera for you, for your project. So you'll swap out projects and take turns and share and help each other with the work. Video production is almost never a truly solo operation, and you will need other people in this class to get your work done.